Parts of an essay, Anna Martinez, Aspen University, English Composition, Professor Philip Dixon. The writing of an essay was a great way for people to become informed of topics of their interest for teachers to be able to understand what the student learned from an assignment. When writing an essay, we need to generally decide the type of essay we will be writing. For example, in this essay, I will show you how to write an essay, as if we are writing about owning a dog. An essay should have an introduction, body, and conclusion. Your essay introduction should include 3 main things in this order: an opening hook to catch the reader's attention, relevant background information that the reader needs to know, and a thesis statement that presents your main point of argument. In the body of the essay, you will be able to support your thesis. The body will have 3 paragraphs. You can add more if needed. In the first paragraph of your body, you may discuss the main idea. This will introduce the reader to what he or she will be reading. Give 3 supporting pieces for your topic sentence. This paragraph should back up your thesis statement. When providing additional support pieces to your topic, don't jump from one to another. Give focus to each paragraph and discuss the main topic backed by supporting examples. For example, if you are writing an essay about dogs, this paragraph can discuss potty training. You can share what you know from personal experience and include the research you found online. Discuss the do's and the don'ts about potty training. You can even add what you need for potty training, like pee pads. Don't forget to cite what you pull from online sources. In this paragraph, you won't discuss the food the dogs will be eating. Keep it clear on a topic of potty training a dog. And my 3 supporting examples are sharing personal experience, the do's and don'ts, and materials you will need, for example, peeing pads. In the second paragraph of the body, you will have your second main idea, your support for the second main idea. You will continue to discuss the thesis with additional examples, research, and evidence you find to support the thesis. This section will start with your second main idea or topic, which will be followed by a minimum of 3 supporting facts, just as in your first body paragraph. The examples, research, and/or evidence that supports the thesis, as well as the second topic. As stated previously, my example will be as if we are writing about a dog. In this section, we can discuss food. List the types of food that dog can eat. What food should be given to the different growth stages of a dog, and why not to feed dogs table food. In the third paragraph of the body, you will analyze the evidence you provided. Give supporting affirmation facts of the research you found. In this section, you will need to discuss the research you found about dogs. You can choose anything else you need to give supporting affirmation about the facts you provided in these 2 previous body paragraphs. Keep in mind that each body paragraph must relate logically to one immediately before and after, and it must also focus on a single topic or idea. The final paragraph is your conclusion. The conclusion will summarize the essay. The conclusion paragraph should reinstate your thesis, summarize the key supporting ideas you discussed throughout the work, and offer your final impression of the central idea. The conclusion will give closure to the topic you are discussing. You will just need to add the critical point of everything you have discussed in the body of the essay. In this section, you will summarize the facts you gave about dogs. Give the supporting details and make sure you close with a strong statement so that the reader can fully understand what it takes to own a dog. If you are in need of some references, you can go on to Masterclass Staff 2020, published November 8th of 2020, How to Write a Conclusion for Your Next Writing Project. You can also go to Shauna McCombs, published February 4th, 2019, How to Write an Essay Introduction. And last but not least, you can also go to Staff Writers, published February 18th, 2021. How to write a body paragraph. Best Colleges, bestcolleges.com.